U.S. stocks rise after oil prices ease and SpaceX soars in its debut on Wall Street. Add AP News as your preferred source to see more of our stories on Google. Add AP News on Google. Add AP News as your preferred source to see more of our stories on Google. Share New York app. U.S. stocks rose Friday after oil prices fell again, and SpaceX soared in its highly anticipated debut on Wall Street. The S&P 500 added 0.5% to close out its 10th winning week in the last 11. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 353 points, or 0.7%, and the Nasdaq composite gained 0.3%. Stocks got a lift from a 3.4% drop for the price of Brent crude oil to $87.33 per barrel, deepening its loss for the week. Oil prices have come down since President Donald Trump on Thursday called off his threat to launch strikes on Iran and said a potential deal with Iran may be imminent. A deal to end the war could reopen the Strait of Hormuz and allow oil tankers to once again deliver crude from the Persian Gulf to customers worldwide. Its near closure since the war began has sent the price of Brent up from roughly $70 per barrel and caused a wave of painful inflation for the world. App Audio. U.S. stocks rise as oil falls and Wall Street waits for SpaceX's debut. U.S. stocks are drifting in early trading after oil prices fell again. Of course, financial markets have rallied in the past on hopes that an end to the war with Iran was near, only to get disappointed each time. The bigger factor for Wall Street over the last week has actually been artificial intelligence stocks and how they have gone from roaring to records to suddenly turning lower. The concern is whether such stocks shot too high, too fast because of AI mania, and their careening moves have sometimes reversed direction by the hour. SpaceX suggested plenty of demand still exists among investors for AI after its stock leaped 19.2% in its first day of trading. That gave Elon Musk's rocket company a total value of $2.1 trillion, making it bigger than ExxonMobil, Bank of America, and Coca-Cola combined. In addition to building rockets, SpaceX also owns the artificial intelligence company xAI. Read more. AI-related stocks were otherwise mixed following their roller coaster moves over the last week. Micron Technology's drop of 1.4% was one of the heaviest weights on the S&P 500, but CoreWeave jumped 5%.